Hey guys, what's up? I have a great news for all of you. If you love shopping online, you want promo when you go shopping, and you want to save more, this is for you guys. Because as AliExpress celebrates their 15th anniversary, they're giving away promo codes that can be used every time you purchase an order. All you have to do is just download AliExpress app in your mobile devices and registered. If you are new to AliExpress, you're warmly welcome and enjoy all the great deals. Save as much as items are you looking for. They promise the quality of every product that you will buy from their trusted supplier. Check this guys for their anniversary. You can see here all the promo codes that you can use. Just collect and it help a lot when you're purchasing an order. From their various categories, they now offering their lowest price for this season. Just explore it guys. All stuff is so worth it. Tested by all the buyers as you can see the ratings.
No.
They now have the shake and get coupon event where more surprises is waiting for you. Just shake and win and get endless surprises. This is the biggest sales ever as they giving up to $100 discount. Just grab it guys while it's still offering. You can check also their shop guide where you can discover and find all the discounted items to maximize savings. You can also play here and get high value price. Lastly, they have tutorial on how to collect coupon codes and how to use it. So guys, grab it now, shop on AliExpress and enjoy all the deals. And you can see there also all the codes and how to use it. You can also check more on video description. So let's support AliExpress. Thank you for watching.